Yeah, today's episode is jam-packed. I don't even know where to start, whether to start with the pregnancy or to start when Mr. Sindani is now ordered to come to the party because this is long overdue. Now, so Untutuko gets to find out that the girlfriend is pregnant through the father. Okay, the father was the one that told him. And then manje sekaba distract eh. Sekaba distracted in his life, and then Mr. Maiza becomes that gentle father, that gentle parent that we all want, who will sit you down and not shout at you, but understand where you're coming from and try and advise, or even if he does not advise, but give an ear. Now, tell me, why does Mr. Maiza Mtunzi makes me hate him so angry that I don't even want to see him? And then now he makes me love him so much so that I feel like he's a perfect Ganjani, bro. Yenzeka kanjani lento? So now Mtunzi sit down and then they had the conversation, and then he explained to her, being a parent is not easy. At times it's a scary thing to do, but umtana his bane. Okay, then after that conversation, Untutuko, so they need to go and see the girlfriend because they were not talking gustile, and then the conversation was not flowing bebanga sakhulumi because manje atshela umthunzi ati, actually now that she's not talking to me, I feel like it's a good thing because now I don't have to be part of anything. Bazi so many bayenze whatever that they want to do. And umthunzi said, no, that's not how it's supposed to be. Oh, betan umthunzi bafowethu, umthunzi, ha kanjani Mayiza? Anyway, ladies and gentlemen, as you can already see, we are going to be reviewing Scandal. Ndimadekwana sanibonani avuxeni molweni minjhani? Hi pfukile hi ngangwina. So namuntlha ka nongonoko wa hina wa Scandal hi kuma ku ri swilo swi tshamisekangi kahle, looking at the fact that Umthunzi is playing a father figure that Untutuko never had, and that's the father figure that he always wanted, and Umtunzi is like he's being that parent that Untutuko never had. Anyway, after a good conversation with Umtunzi, then he decided to go and see the girlfriend. She opened the door. I thought she was not even going to give him a chance to speak, but they did talk. Now, very valid points were raised by a girlfriend Kantutuko. Uguti, okay, fine. So she says, Untutuko asks Uguti, okay, why didn't you tell me, Uguti, you're pregnant? At why? Why must I tell you? At no, why were you not responsible? At why is the responsibility mine for you to use a condom because we were engaging in this unprotected sex together? Why is it now my responsibility, Uguti? I'm taking prevention and at no pela that day we were intoxicated and angisakhumbula ukuthi kwenzakalani at exactly. Me too, we were on the same spot. Now why is the responsibility becoming mine? But anyway, ungakhathazeki ngaloko ke because I've already made arrangements in the abortion clinic. Abortion, yes. How kanjani manje? No, the thing is right now I'm young, hakisofetile isikolo ngithanda ukuya esikolong, and when on the other hand you've got a pending case. You've got a pending case that we are not sure the outcomes, because at any point in time you could be arrested and then nna ke hodise ngwana ke le one. And besides, nna le wena ha re tsebane. We just had this one time wonder thing, and then even naga ketcha bianong ke imile. So we cannot even call this a relationship or anything of that sort. So bianong nna ke tlo tshwantse gore ke hodise ngwana le motho e leng gore ha ke mo tsebe. I felt like, girl, you spitting fire, you saying all the facts, and this is justifiable why you would want to do abortion. But I don't condone it after all. So now we closed off on Tutuko being shocked and surprised with whatever that he was hearing. On the other hand, Ntate Poet patela the damage, and of which is triggering Matabela. Matabela does not want Untate to pay Ama damages because he feels like this relationship. In fact, he does not like the relationship. Hanya this guy ave how Filipoko, and then he went and spoke to Ntate Gaza ukuthi bakuthathela umuntu wakho ngalo. Ntate Gaza mathi uyahamba ngapho bona laba boyithu bayakhulumisana ubaba kaPoko nomuntu wakhe kumancane. Hey guys, before le video phela usindani usenkingeni, udalini umbizile uthi lalela woza la, and mawuza uze uyiwane because nangabe uzoza nabanye abantu lo engimphethe unkosikazi wakho uyafa athi sihlangana kuphi, athi sihlangana la. the last place where you last saw my brother. Yeah, intokazi yenze i-research and she's on top of the game. Gubi, Gubi, Gubi.